to hurt you.
Oh God, he would be amused. Dark shadows of an evil mind. God has a sense of humor. Dark shadows of an evil mind. God, he would be amused to see you at my feet. See you at my feet. Oh, 3520 North Marshall Street.
One arm in the freezer, one leg in the blender, one head in the stone. Return to sender, and the darkness knows all of the thoughts that I think.
Oh God, he would be amused. Dark shadows of an evil mind. God has a sense of humor. Dark shadows of an evil mind. God, he would be amused to see you at my feet. See you at my feet. Oh, 3520 North Marshall Street. The dark food is good enough to eat. The dark food is good enough to eat. The dark food is good enough to eat. Good enough to eat. The dark food is good enough to eat. The dark food is good enough to eat. The dark food is good enough to eat. Good enough to eat.
Crazy glue. Strong enough to move this man suspended in mid-air. Crazy glue repairs a broken China mug. Just run a little crazy glue along the track and it's fixed in less than 10 seconds. Bonds almost anything. A plastic knob, a plastic plug, a rubber boot, a metal post, a fishing rod, a cycle grip, model trains, a worn-out screw, a flashlight case, a broken pin on any car. Bonds in seconds with amazing strength without... Crazy glue is available at Bates Buying Stores.
The basement is so peaceful, you are naked as well. There is one more cracker, devil's cookies in the throat. Cook here, jawbones, shut up, I don't wanna hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. Cook here, jawbones, shut up, I don't wanna hurt you. I don't want to hurt you.